Hello friends, I'm Anjana Varmani, associated with Max Life since 2002. It's been a wonderful experience with Max Life. About this new product, the Smart Wealth Plan, when we got to know there's a new product which is going to be launched, I was wondering how the training would happen because earlier we used to be taking the training in the office. But the way we have got the details of the product with those Zoom calls, um, I'm so thorough with it, also with that embody coming in, wherein we have to go through that certification where we answer those questions and we get so thorough with the product. I have, I'm very confident that I know the product very well. And also, if I talk of this product, the three variants, the lump sum variant, the short term, and the long term, I have pitched in all these options to my client as per the client's requirement. But I've got a very good response for this long term 10 pay variant. So, when I was talking to my clients, they are because many of them are not very comfortable with this unit linked or equity market products because of the market fluctuation also which we are seeing in the recent past few days wherein we've seen a lot of market fluctuations and these uncertainty. Clients are looking more at guaranteed products. This long term 10 pay product, when I'm talking to the client also recently, which I closed 2 3 days back, when I spoke to my client about this product, that you pay for 10 years and you're getting the money for 25 years, and also at the end a lump sum with the return of premium, um, which is guaranteed. So, telling him that you're paying for 10 years, there's a gap of a 1 year, 11th year, and 12th year onwards. You're getting the money for 25 years, and that also guaranteed. Uh, Also, because the interest rates are dropping and they will drop further, the clients are very well aware that the interest rates are going down, and protection policies they have already taken, right? So they've covered themselves for a short life. So when you tell them that you've taken care of your short life, but you need to take care also of a long life. So like I spoke to one of my clients who is a 50-year-old who was telling me, "नहीं मैम बहुत लंबा है." But when I told him about this, that life expectancy is increasing with the medical advancement, you need to take care of your long life also. So, and talking more of the guaranteed part, basically, we are telling that everything in this product is guaranteed. There's nothing which is non-guaranteed. So when we are talking of the terminal benefit, also the premium which is coming back to us, the premium which we have paid in 10 years is coming back to us is also guaranteed. So everything is guaranteed in this product. That is really appealing to the clients a lot. From my experience, I would say that Max has really come up with a wonderful product, and I'm getting an amazing response for this product. So I think we should go out to our customers and go out to as many customers and meet them and tell them about this product. I think it's going to give us an amazing response. Thank you so much.